Hello traders, in this short video I will try to explain what does the hedge recovery means in the RobotFX Fluid Expert Advisor settings. Basically we have two options to hedge, to recover a losing trade or a losing basket of trades, and these are HedgeZone and Hedge Fluid. I suggest to choose only one of these. In this case we chose the hedge zone, which is hedge the recovery zone, and set the hedge fluid to fast. Otherwise the expert advisor may open maybe too many trades when your equity is able to open. So all the other settings are the default settings. Allow buy, allow sell set to true. Start with the first lot size 0.01, which is 1 cent per lot. Minimum profit $1. Stop loss, the width of the recovery zone 50 pips, take profit 150, and so on. Default settings, we will use the trend, leave it to true, and the non-lag moving average signal 15. Let's get to business. First of all, I already did this on a history chart. By the way, now it's Saturday, I cannot show you on the real trading, unfortunately, but I will try to make it so you will understand. The hedge zone, it's hedging the recovery zone. It means that the expert advisor will open opposite trades on the opposite sides of this zone, which is 50 pips. As we said, the take profit in the stop loss in the expert advisor settings, 500 points or 50 pips, and you'll open opposite trades only when the price will reach any of the edges of this zone. Sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, and so on, until the price will eventually break out of this zone and go in either direction, and then it will close the trades at minimum profit. Okay, let's see how this goes. I'm trying on the default Euro USD date. It's January 2015, this first day of the year, and allow me to pause. I don't like the grid, and I'm using the line chart, so we will see better what the expert advisor does. Or better use the default template to see even more clearer. We don't need this window. It doesn't delete. I don't want to have too many things on the chart. Okay, so we use the trend detector. The price is under the 200 moving average as we set in the expert advisor settings. The moving average EMA 30 is below the EMA 55, so the expert advisor should open sales when the color of the non-lag moving average, this line, black white, will change from white to black. So it should have opened, but this is the previous month, December, here, close here somewhere, open, close, open, and close somewhere here. Let's see what it does in our test. How it works. Sorry. Okay, you've seen here. By the way, the non-lag moving average, it's repainting a little. All indicators repaint. If they don't repaint, they lag. So this will repaint the last 1-2 candles, something like this. I think this is normal. You can't do anything about this. As I said, the indicators, they either repaint or lag. It doesn't go back to repaint. This is already happened. We'll never change this. So as you have seen probably, the non-lag changed the color from white because it had this little spike up, a sudden move up, and then again to black, but turned down again and dropped, and now the prices will go We don't know where it will go. And this is the second time it changed the color. We don't have extra trades enabled, so it didn't open another trade. I'll talk about this in another video. Stop. Probably during the weekend. I don't want to check now. Yes, it was a weekend from 2 to 5 January. The price suddenly moved down, and it activated the trailing stop. I have a trailing stop of 100 pips. You can disable it, you can increase it, decrease it as much as you want. You have this option. If you set it to 0, nothing will happen. Resume. Okay, so the trading stop got us out of this trade, which is good because we got 80 pips. And the second change in the non-lag moving average, the color changed again from white to black at the end of this candle. In the beginning of the next one, the expert advisor opened another sell. It almost triggered the opposite pending order, the buy stop, but it didn't. That means I chose the stop loss very good. Although it could have been a little bigger, a little further away from the opening price. And now it opened the break even. The break even was set 50 pips away. The second trade was a success. Another 38, almost 40 pips. The third trade opened. It's already in profit. I think it should trigger the break even soon. It did. So there's no chance to go back and hit the opposite order. Another success. Now this is the trend we are looking for. This is a kind of smooth downtrend, clear downtrend or uptrend, if that's the case. We should try to stay away from sudden zigzag moves, consolidation zones. And another trade, sell the opposite buy stop, which takes place of the real stop loss, 50 pips away. Double the size in this case, and the price does what? The price triggers this opposite trade. It finally hits one of our stop losses, and then opens another opposite trade. One short comment about this, and it opens the other opposite trade on the same line. This is what I meant by hedge zone, hedge recovery. This is the zone now between the first trade and the first pending order, the first opposite trade. The 50 pips zone we set in the expert advisor settings. The expert advisor will open trades only in these levels, here and here. Let's draw two lines so we can see them better. I will draw the lines a little outside so we will see the price line. Or maybe a few pips further away depending on the slippage, lag and so on. And so far we have closed trades, very good, the graph looks great. A sell of 0.01, this is the first trade. Second one, the hedging trade, this one, 0.02, and the next one it's a sell stop, a pending order of 0.02 again. So it will increase the lot size, but it will increase very slowly because we chose a ratio of 1 to 3 between the stop loss and the take profit. The stop loss is 50, which again is the distance between the height of the recovery zone, or the width, depends how you want to call it, and the take profit is 150. And the expert advisor uses these two values, this ratio, to calculate the next lot size. Next, resume. We are in the middle of the recovery zone. Price goes or it doesn't go. Looks like it will go up. If it will go up, we have no worries. It will close in profit, at minimum profit, which is $1. The minimum profit, again, it's set in dollars and not in pips. It's easier for the expert advisor to calculate it in dollars. After it will deduct the swap and all the other losses, commission, and the price goes down and hits the sell pending order now, which becomes active, and it looks like it will go down. We don't know, but we also don't care, and opens the other opposite order, a buy of again 0.02. You see, it is not doubling the lot size. It calculates it accordingly to the stop loss and the take profit, and this ratio of 1 to 3 in this case. So the next opposite order is buy stop 0.02. Great. The strategy tester, testing using the strategy tester now is kind of slow because I'm using the default template I'm using when trading, and it has this moving averages, the non-lag moving average already on the chart, and another indicator down here. I covered it so we don't see it, which is my favorite. Now something happened interesting. The price went down and it triggered the break even, then turned up again and hit the buy stop order, which became normal order, a long order 0.02, and the expert advisor calculated the next sell stop size, sell stop lot size, depending on the existing orders on the chart. It doesn't just this expert advisor doesn't just, let's say, double the bet like a martingale. As I said, it calculates it based on the ratio between the stop loss and the take profit. In our case, stop loss 50, take profit 150, so the ratio is 1 to 3. I'm gonna put this here so you'll have an idea how the lot size increases. And now, for example, it closed some cells, and it calculated again the sell stop size. So if the price will go down now, it will trigger this sell stop, and the trade will be, the basket will be in profit again. It slowly increases the, look what it closed, these two. So we already have some profit basically. And now we will see what happens. We didn't close the basket, we already have some profit. Another short comment. Okay, the price went down, we hit the sell stop, which became a sell of 0.03, and opened the other opposite order of 0.04. After it calculated again, so in case the price will go up, we'll hit it and the profit will increase until it will reach $1. If the price goes down, you can see how the profit decreases and finally stop during probably some news happened. We have a huge move down of 200 pips. The price went down, the profit, the real profit, we cannot see the comments. The real profit eventually reached one profit, which is the minimum we set. We could have set it to much more, and the expert advisor would have closed somewhere down here with a real profit. But the idea is, this is one of my things, a preference of mine. When I have a basket of trades, I consider it a losing trade and I want to close it as soon as possible. I trade like this. Precaution. I think it's better. And that's why I set a minimum profit to sometimes 0. I just want to close at break even, I don't want to lose. Anyway, this is how the RobotFX hedging option, the HedgeZone, works. By creating opposite trades within a defined zone, a defined recovery zone, as I like to call it. Where's the report? I didn't close it. Just and so on. It closed the opposite order, of course. Now we have no orders on the charts, buy or real or pending. As soon as the basket closes, the opposite order that was not reached, the buy stop, it's also closed. The EA takes care of it. You don't have to do anything. And then it resumes the its job. Okay, we're not gonna insist on this chart. The price looks like it will move down. We will stop here. I think you got the idea. Again, the hedge zone means the expert advisor will open hedge recovery zones. Great, it doesn't go away. We'll open recovery zones within the stop loss distance zone of 50. In this case, it creates a 50 pips recovery zone, and open the opposite trades only when the price will break this limit. Let me emphasize it a little more. This is the recovery zone that the EA created in this case. And the opposite trades are on the sides. Buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. A short review of what just happened. Buy, sell, and so on.